Getchu's family. Today I'm going to make broccoli cheese waffle. Let's go to the video. 1 cup oats powder, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese, half cup steamed broccoli, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Blend well. Get this waffle maker and spray oil in it. Then add our mixture and close it. And then flip it. Flip it again back. Cook both sides. Voila! Here's our waffle.